A sequence starts with 3, then 6. Which is one possible rule for the sequence? Since 3 plus 3 is 6, you can add 3 to the previous term to get the next term. What are the next 3 terms with that rule? After 3 and 6 would be 9, then 12, then 15. What could be another rule that the same sequence follows? Another rule would be to multiply the previous term by 2 to find the next term. What are the next 3 terms with this rule? After 3 and 6, multiply by 2 to get 12, then again to get 24, and again to get 48. When you're trying to find the rule for sequence, keep this example in mind. As you can see, it takes more than 2 terms to determine a rule. If you have only 2 terms, there are many possibilities for what the rule could be.